1.8 million Ram trucks recalled to fix shifter problem. Fiat Chrysler is recalling 1.8 million mostly heavy-duty Ram pickups to fix a part that could allow the truck to shift out of park and roll without depressing the brake pedal, a problem the automaker knows to be potentially related to 7 injuries in a small number of accidents. The company says tests revealed that the interlock, which is supposed to keep the transmission from shifting out of park without the driver's foot on the brake and without a key in the ignition, may malfunction if subjected to high temperatures for long periods. The recall is limited to vehicles equipped with shifters mounted on the steering columns. Those with rotary-dial shifters or floor-mounted shifters aren't affected, and model year 2017 trucks built after December 31, 2016, are excluded. Trucks covered by the recall are certain 2010 to 2017 Ram 2500 and 3500 pickups, 2011 to 2017 Ram 3500, 4500 and 5500 chassis cabs, and 2016 and 2017 Ram 3500 chassis cabs of less than 10,000 pounds gross vehicle weight. Certain 2009 to 2017 Ram 1500 pickups are also included in the recall. Most of the affected trucks are in the U.S., with the rest in Canada and Mexico, plus about 15,000 outside of the North American Free Trade Zone. FCA recommends that customers always use parking brakes and not leave children unattended in parked cars.